Did you know that the humble carrot is more than just a crunchy snack? It's packed with health benefits that could seriously boost your vision and overall health. Yep, that's right. Most people just munch on them without realizing how powerful they really are. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a surprising veggie hack that can enhance your vision and health in ways you might not expect. If you're curious about how a simple vegetable can make a big difference in your life, stick around, you won't want to miss this. Now let's talk about something we all deal with, vision issues. Whether it's those pesky computer screens straining our eyes, the natural aging process, or just not getting enough nutrients, many of us face challenges with our eyesight. Not to mention, our overall health can take a hit if we're not careful. Poor diet, lack of exercise, and stress can lead to a whole range of problems. So it's super important to find easy ways to improve our vision and health. This is where our veggie hack comes into play. Let's dive deeper into our star of the show, the carrot. These bright orange veggies are loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. And guess what? Vitamin A is essential for maintaining good vision, especially in low-light conditions. But that's not all. Carrots are also rich in antioxidants, which help combat free radicals in our body. Studies have shown that a diet high in antioxidants can reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Plus, carrots are a great source of fiber, which contributes to a healthy digestive system. So, not only can they help your eyes, but they also keep your gut happy. Now, here's the best part, the surprising veggie hack. To really maximize the benefits of carrots, try pairing them with a little bit of fat. Yes, you heard me right. Adding a drizzle of olive oil or enjoying them with some avocado can actually enhance the absorption of those vital nutrients. You can toss them in a salad, blend them into a smoothie, or even roast them with some spices. The options are endless. By incorporating this simple hack into your meals, you're not just snacking, you're giving your body the tools it needs to thrive. So to wrap things up, carrots are more than just a side dish. They're a powerhouse of nutrients that can boost your vision and overall health. By using this surprising veggie hack of pairing them with healthy fats, you can really amp up their benefits. Don't sleep on this simple yet effective addition to your diet. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this veggie hack. Have you tried it out? Drop a comment down below and let me know how you like to enjoy your carrots. And if you're looking for more healthy eating tips, check out my other video right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.